Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete and honest review of the Freecash app and answer the big question, is it a scam or actually legit? So first, what is Freecash? It's a rewards platform where you earn money by completing tasks like playing games, answering surveys, or testing apps. Instead of earning passively, most of the money comes from completing specific offers and reaching certain goals inside those apps. Now let's talk about whether it actually pays. Many users report receiving real payouts through PayPal, crypto, or gift cards, and some even say withdrawals can be quite fast once your tasks are verified. However, there's also another side you need to understand. Some users complain that certain offers don't track properly, meaning you complete the task but don't get rewarded. There are also cases where accounts get flagged or rewards are delayed during withdrawal, which can be frustrating. This shows that while the app can work, it's not always consistent. Your earnings will also depend heavily on your country, because higher paying offers are usually available in regions like the US and Europe, while other regions may see fewer opportunities. Also, those ads claiming you can earn just by watching videos or scrolling are misleading, since most earnings require effort and time. So, is Freecash a scam? Not exactly. It's a legit platform that does pay, but it has risks, limitations, and mixed user experiences. The best approach is to use it as a side option, keep expectations realistic, and avoid spending money unless you fully understand the offer terms. Subscribe the channel for more videos.